It's a new episode. We're currently in episode 43, and I thought we haven't done this for a while, so let's start off the episode in Zoom with the charts. Simply, gold has closed back in the range. It looks like we could probably continue pushing up, but the man I am, what I've been going through, I said, you know what? I don't think it's a buy, is buys yet. So I opened sales. Now I could be wrong, but I said, you know what? Let's try. Let's try. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm right, I'm right. So as of yet, we're still in this position. I've been in this position since just before the 1 hour close. This 1 hour open, I should say. And yeah, we're just waiting. And remember, when it comes to counter trend trading, I only wait for I wait for the 1 hour candle to close. And we basically got this one, and now we just have to wait. We just have to wait. But yeah, now I'm not working today, so I finished editing the video, hence I'm still up. But yeah, I'm gonna try to sleep a bit and then hopefully we'll be able to cut. No, not hopefully, but I'll be coming back to the markets around 3 or 4 o'clock. Hopefully there'll be some volatility and some setups. Well, I mean, ideally, I want the setups, not the volatility. I'd prefer the setups, even if I have to wait like until Friday for the trade to play out. I would much rather prefer to have the setup rather than the volatility. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna rest up now. We'll see how this trade plays out. I'll see you guys in a few hours. I pretty much just woke up from like a 1 hour and a half nap, or maybe more, maybe less. Today has been interesting. What the plan is, today we're gonna do something a bit different. I'm pretty much just gonna, I don't know, I guess you could say I'm gonna get everything off my chest, but I'm gonna do it with obviously a special guest who is Lorenzo, and we're gonna be on Zoom. And we're pretty much just gonna go through everything, speak about the charts, speak about psychology, etc., etc. And literally everything's gonna be documented. It's gonna be raw, and I'm gonna upload it. Well, I'm gonna put it in this vlog just for you guys to see the real nitty gritty of like most of our discussions, whether it's via telephone or whether it's via Zoom. And we're gonna, yeah, just gonna display like how things really get when you're feeling bad, you know? Because I can't lie to you guys, like today I've been really, really bad, and it's time to break down why, and hopefully I can use this footage as a reflection and also share with you guys the reality, you know? Because like it's not easy. It's not easy. Trust me, it's not easy. Like, and I'll give you a bit of insight, yeah. When you've got more money in your trading account or any sort of like assets, whatever, than in your own account balance, what you spend like money on day to day or bills, yeah, guys, it's peak. It's peak. I think that's like one thing. And then another thing is that even like as the money increases in the accounts, it's like your lot size increases, and your risk appetite increases too. So we're gonna go into Zoom now. I'm just in the kitchen. I'm getting my food. My mom, she made me some food, and then yeah, we'll go from there. So see you in the meeting. So guys, after a few hours, we finally got there. We're recording now. Lorenzo's here.
Hi, everybody.
So yeah, you know what? I was thinking just to make things, oh crap, to make things easy. Let me just, I'm gonna show you how bad my day was, right? And then we'll just start off from there. Is that all right?
Of course, yeah.
All right, okay, perfect. So let me connect the connect the phone. All right, perfect. Let's see. All right. You can see my screen, right? I hope this
Yeah,
is clear.
yeah.
Okay, cool. So today. So pretty much look how many trades I took today. So I'll start from the top and then
And you went also increasing the size, yeah?
yeah, man, it was a disaster.
But those break even, there you go. Like how for how long did you keep the trade open?
Maybe like 10 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
What's the conclusion, G?
Well, so for me, I need to just stick to my plan. If I'm not gonna stick to my plan, then I need to stick to my edge at least because these trades that I took, they had no edge, no system, you know?
Mm.
And man, I felt horrible. Like I really it just it was I don't know. Like I'm telling you, it's like it's crazy, yeah. If I feel like thinking about it now, I feel like it's just bad luck because it's since I opened the crypto portfolio, bro. Ever since then, all I've been thinking about is I want more money, I want more money, I want more money. But before that, I was just happy with the trading account, you know?
Why you think it's why do you think which one do you think are the reason for that?
What do you mean?
What do you think is the reason why um, you start to think this after you move the money into the crypto account?
Because I feel like I don't even have enough money in the crypto. That I think that's the main I think that's the main thing. Like it's not I don't feel so like yeah, it's crazy. I don't feel satisfied, I think. I don't feel satisfied with whatever was that.
Sorry, bro, but I don't understand. Okay, okay. What the? Fuck.
What happened?
I think the spread on this new broker is just it's crazy. Wow. Anyways, yeah, sorry.
Yeah, G, so I don't know. I don't feel like satisfied at all. I don't feel satisfied at all. It's yeah.
You passed from uh do like 5 trades at the most in a week to 15 a day.
Yeah, so I'll show you oh, one sec. So I can close that. I'll show you my journal. Man, this week has been crazy. Look, I'm suffering, bro. I'm suffering right now. I'm suffering. Look, 28 trades this week. 28 trades. I'm supposed to only take 5 trades, bro. 28 trades.
Yeah, I mean, G, probably the what you can change are the break evens. It's like it's the majority of the trade. you wasn't like I don't know if you go stopped out at break even or if you
No. I manually closed the
you
positions.
closed. So yeah, probably all those trades, uh, like you go on to into those trades without being convinced, or like you just enter the trades like randomly.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, we need to stay strong, G, and as you said, have a systematic approach.
Mm.
Otherwise, the edge won't even show off, you know. And it can go well for a short time, but in the end, it's likely they will get, it will go wrong. It will go bad, you know. That's the thing.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where I've been getting these ideas from to like because even sometimes I mean like thinking about for the trades I've been taking, I just I don't know what's making me like I remember I was explaining to you. I don't know why I've been just instead of looking at the 4 hour and looking for key areas on the 4 hour and wait or the daily, right? Instead of doing this, I'm looking just straight at the 30 minute or the 1 hour. And I'm just taking entries based off of whatever the 1 hour or the 30 minute does. And this is incorrect, you know? So I'm just very disappointed in myself because like I said, all I keep thinking about is, oh, I want more money, I want more money, I want more money. Like, and it's not good. It's not good. It's horrible. It's horrible, G, because okay, yeah, we're in this to make money, but we can't rush the process, you know, we can't over risk or like, yeah, just everything is systematic and like, yeah, it's just it's been very tough, man. I can't lie, it's been very tough. I mean, don't get me wrong. Like yesterday, for example, FOMC, I was very solid. I saw the price action moving crazy. I said, okay, fine, no problem. I'm just gonna put 0.1 and I'm gonna put buys, and I did that. And yeah, I mean, I didn't stick to the plan because I was trading in the middle of news, but I stuck to the risk management plan, you know. And also, I made sure to buy at a key area and not a random area. But yeah. One thing that I was telling myself today is that I need to look at my account as if it's like a £100 account, and that's and hope and that should make things better because if I decrease the amount of figures I'm looking at, then I'm able to adapt much faster because instead of seeing like for example let's say three digits or 4 digits. I'm able, and if I just say to myself, oh, this is just two digits or 1 digit, then I'm able to be more relaxed and steady.
Yeah, no,
But because even bro, like I was saying,
because
so I was saying before we started filming this, I was saying that like man, my trading account has more money than my own bank account, bro. I don't have any money in my bank account, G. You understand? So maybe that's another reason for why I keep thinking about money.
yeah, 100%. You get
But the thing is, I've been trading without money in my account for a while, so it shouldn't make a difference, you know?
yeah, but still, if gee, I don't think it's the right thing to do, bro.
Mm.
Because uh, yeah, gee, if you have more money on the trading account than the on your bank account, if you need something, anything like you don't trade like with the how do you say like you don't feel like light. Do you understand what I mean? Like
Mm,
um, you're scared to lose those money because you need that money.
mm,
It's enough like free mind as you would be with the money that you need on your account.
mm, yeah.
Um, so I think it's as I like we discussed this, like I was telling you that I want to have mm, like a certain amount of money that it covers like 3 to 6 months expenses, like for everything.
Mm-hmm.
I want to build that, and then all the money that I make on top of that, I can invest or put into trading.
Right.
Once I have that, I will be much more free to do everything,
Flexible.
flexible, and I probably wouldn't feel the pressure, to lose money, or I need to make this money.
Mm,
Sometimes, like especially in this journey, well, we still are at the beginning.
mm,
We want to rush the process, and we want to arrive at that level, and so like, and then we still probably thinking like with the uh, how do you say, like poor minded, like
poor mentality.
poor
Poor man's
mentality,
mentality.
9 to 5 mentality, like, I need to get like 2,000 a month, 3,000 a month, whatever it is, with trading. So, but with our capital, it's crazy to make those amount of money like every month. It's possible, yeah, it's possible with this, like with high leverage, yeah, but how much you need to risk to in order to make those money? It means like do 100% every month. Like the
Mm,
best trader, I don't know, like in in the challenge, on the World Cup, like the Robin Cup, like they do 1,000%. Like the maximum, I think it had been 12,000%.
mm-hmm.
I don't remember the Larry Williams, if I'm not wrong. Okay,
Twelve
yeah,
thousand percent in the tournament.
yeah, and the Robin Cup, and it's like the championship, one of like the most famous one. 12,000% in a year. Don't know if it was with the 100,000 account, $100,000 account. I don't know. This guy is from United States, Larry Williams, and also like few years later, his daughter won the cup. I don't remember the name of the daughter. But yeah, you can look at it. Um, but yeah, like it's crazy numbers, crazy numbers, bro.
Yeah, I
Mm.
know. Wow.
But yeah, like for the majority of the other trades, bro, like once we do 100% in a year, you should be super proud.
Mm,
Um, we need more capital. That's the thing. We need more capital.
yeah, I think I would say not just capital. I mean, we need more strength in our skills, you know?
Yeah, I mean that's for sure. We need to build our skill. We need to build um, Resilience.
Yeah. I was gonna say that, I mean, thinking about what you said, you know, about the how to organize, like basically what you've mentioned is just money management, right? To allow yourself to be stress free when participating in the market, you know? And I think for me personally, I would say that if the money's in my account, like I have to train myself. I have to train myself to not spend the money, you know? And the second thing as well is that really, in all fairness, if I've got a system, I shouldn't be a coward to use it, or I shouldn't be feeling any type of way if the market's doing something that I'm not be able to participate in, you know? And another thing too is that, like, if you was to ask me how much money, let's say for example, you said, oh, how much money would you like to make today? Yeah. Let's say you're the central bank. Let's say you're Jerome Powell, and you was feeling generous and you wanted to give money out to the public, right? And you said, oh, Henok, good morning. How much money would you like today? Like, gee, I wouldn't have an answer. So if I wouldn't have an answer, yeah, I mean, it would be like, obviously I'll be saying, yeah, can I have a few billion, please, you know? But the the main point I'm trying to make is that, like, I I don't have intentions on making a certain amount of money a day. You know, what's on my mind is just, I want to take a trade where I can at least secure like 300 to 600 pips, you know? That's it. Like, I don't.
Bro, like Nasdaq. I mean, if in a day, bro,
No,
Nasdaq
not
is
in a not in a
just
day, not in a day. Just just
okay.
just just within, just whether it's in a week or two, whether it's just in
Okay,
between a
okay.
week, yeah,
Mm.
or just what do you call it, in the space of like between 2 days, right? 300 to 600 pips. I'm happy. You know,
Of
I'm
course.
satisfied, but I'm not trying to. I feel like maybe the mentality I'm having is that maybe I'm trying to secure this amount of pips every day. Maybe that's my mistake, you know? Instead of trying to just wait for the perfect steps, because like I've mentioned to you, I'm looking at the 30 minute and the 1 hour instead of focusing on key areas on the 4 hour, right? I'm
Yeah, but
I'm always I'm always every day I'm just saying, oh, maybe this is the opportunity where we're gonna get 300 to 600 pips, you know? And that's the mistake that
but
I'm making.
I don't even think it's. I mean, like, yeah, if you want to do a swing, okay, like, okay, you want to catch the big move.
Mm.
In order to catch the big move, your stop loss also has to be bigger. Okay, so you have to trade less sides. I think you shouldn't focus on the pips. You should focus on the risk reward,
Hmm.
because, like, okay, you want to catch 300 pips. Let's say Nasdaq usually it does 150, 200 pips a day. It can happen, it does 300, even 500 sometimes. Okay, but it's really, it's
It's not rare, but it happens less
usual.
frequently.
No, usual. Yeah, exactly. It happens much less frequently. So
Mm.
if you go on Forex, Forex does, I don't know, it depends from the assets, but GJ maybe does 100 pips.
I
Uh,
was gonna say 50, 60 pips, but yeah.
50. Let's check. Let's check.
Mm.
Check straight away.
I can open GJ here, to be fair.
I'm going on Mataf.
Uh,
GJ, it does 115 pips average a day.
okay.
And wait, this is the last 10 weeks. So let's do 52 weeks. And 167.
Mm.
While gold, yeah, no, on gold is it doesn't say it's not that. Nasdaq, no, okay, I was wrong. Nasdaq 381. Wow, 381.
Mm.
It's crazy.
It's a lot, bro. In a
Mm.
day.
Okay, in the last 10 weeks, it does 281. But yeah, anyways, yeah, I think we should focus on the risk reward. Kept the risk always the same, and and then the rest will come. You know, like once you have a plan, once you apply always the same rules, the system
Mm.
work. Just matter of time.
Yeah, 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 exactly. Like it's crazy because it's much more easy. It's funny because like okay, what I've been doing this week and last week, I haven't done in a while, and it's so funny how not being systematic now, like it just makes me feel so crap. I just feel so bad because it's very simple, you know? Like my risk management is very simple. If I'm doing a counter trend trade or if I'm taking a trade that's nothing to do with the weekly buyers, only use 2.5% risk, right? 2.5% margin, sorry, 2.5% margin. Yeah. When I'm taking my trades, that's like with the trend or part of the plan, 5% margin or 10% margin if I'm very, very confident in the trade. Today, today has been the worst of the worst. Like today has been the worst. Today, man, I was using one lot. I was using one lot. My heart was beating, G. It's like as if I was on the treadmill. My heart was beating. Because imagine if price reverses on me and the 15-minute candle's about to close or the 1 hour candle's about to close, bro, knowing gold during volume, maybe it comes up 50 pips and that's it. Like I probably lose like 25% of the account.
Thank you
Holding this
for
shit, bro.
today. Mm, yeah.
I didn't do
Thank
anything, bro.
you.
I was being depressed, G. If anything, I was spreading negativity, like.
Yeah, I mean it happens, G, like these down moments, you know, it's fine. It's fine, G. It's
Yeah.
okay.
Consequences for my stupidness, like.
As long as uh we learn from the mistakes, is fine.
Man, have to, bro. You finally got to see the nonsense that I've been getting up to after, yeah, that call with Lorenzo. And yeah, to be fair, I have no excuses for my actions, you know. And yeah, now it's just about doing better. Money, you know. I think this thing about money is it's not that deep, you know. And yeah, with time, as long as we just focus on flowing with the markets, everything else will take care of itself. But to just like rush the process by increasing the size, it's silly. It's so silly. And you know, one thing that comes to my mind is like, okay, I always think to myself, like, when I use 2.5% margin on trades, like counter trend trades and stuff, I always think to myself, oh, why didn't I put more size? Why didn't I do this? Why didn't I do that? And then it's funny because now I'm doing it and I don't even like the feeling. So yeah, anyways, back to it. 2.5%, 5%, 10%, that's it. What you saw today was just like, I don't even know, man. I don't even know. And you know the worst part is that things could have ended up much, much worse. It could have ended up much, much worse than it did. But anyways, so the market's open now. We are currently in the Asian session. But nothing much is going on. So we're just gonna make sure we stick to the plan. And to be honest, like, I'm fed up of just journaling like stupid trades, and I don't want to be journaling stupid trades, so we need to be strict. Gosh, this week has been draining, I can't lie. And it's Friday now. It's Friday. So yeah, just have to wait and see what happens for now. But yeah, I'm gonna try to sleep, guys. I'm not really in the mood for anything. I'm just drained. I didn't even sleep properly today. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I want to say sorry for the negativity and sorry for being like this, like, but it happens, you know. Like, the journey is not easy, you know. Like, yeah, it's not easy at all, especially if you want to go the distance. Like, it's gonna get much harder than whatever we're going through now. So we have to be able to go through this with ease. Yeah. So anyways, thank you for watching, and yeah, see you tomorrow.